Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Thank you for joining me. I hope you are having good day. In today's project, I'm using this distress oxide spray that is festive berries, and then I'm going to spray some water on the top, and I'm going to spread it out using my brush. Then I'm going to heat it up and then dry it. Then I'm using this another distress oxide called picked raspberry, and then I'm going to do the same thing, spraying some water, and then I'm going to spread it out using my brush. Then I'm going to, after drying everything, I'm going to use this jelly print paper. I'm going to tear it into pieces, and I'm going to stick it on the page using matte medium. Then I'm going to tear some more pieces, and I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm using neocolor crayons, and I'm going to blend it with the background. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way, you won't miss my videos. So, I'm using different colors of crayon and blending it. Now, I'm going to make sure everything is dry. So, I'm using this stamp, and then I'm using archival ink. I'm using this another stamp which is from Amazon, and then I'm going to use the archival ink, and I'm going to stamp it on the page. I'm using this stamp. It is from Lost and Found. I'm using the numbers like a scale number stamp. This is again another simple project. So I'm using some small stamps and I'm going to use it on the background. So this is a stamp which is from Bo Bunny. I'm using the stitch stamp on the sides. These are like small button stamps. Then I'm using some different stamps also on the page. I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm going to use this black acrylic ink and I'm going to splatter on the page. Now I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm using this cheesecloth and I'm going to use the glue and stick the cheesecloth on the page. Then I'm using this ephemera. Then I'm going to also stick it on the page. Then I'm going to stick the scissors ephemera also on the page. Then I'm going to add the coat now and I'm going to stick that. Now I'm going to add this stickles and give it a shine little bit. So I added a glossy accent off camera. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.